care for edible landscaping, discuss soil preparation, spacing, and watering techniques, offer guidance on pest control and disease prevention for common edible plants. Showcase the bounty of your edible landscape, highlighting different fruits, vegetables, and herbs. Provide tips on harvesting techniques and storage methods to maximize your harvest. Share inspiring recipes and ideas for incorporating your edible landscape's produce into your daily meals. Discuss the benefits of spreading the edible landscape movement. Highlight resources and organizations supporting edible landscaping efforts. Encourage viewers to share their own edible landscaping journeys and inspire others. A contemporary home with a sun-drenched outdoor patio area. A large, open-air patio, with a light gray stone deck, extends from beneath a wooden-beamed, dark gray roof, providing shade on a sunny day. The patio is surrounded by lush, well-maintained landscaping. Colorful orange trees with ripe oranges hang heavy from branches, adding a vibrant touch to the scene. Soft, natural light bathes the patio and surrounding garden. Mix of grass, shrubs, and flowering plants in warm, earthy tones compose the landscaping. A light brown wooden patio furniture set is subtly placed. A modern house with a beautifully landscaped backyard. The house features a horizontal brown wood siding contrasted with dark gray concrete and black trims. Large windows and sliding glass doors offer a seamless transition to the outdoor patio area. The patio is paved with gray concrete. The backyard is a vibrant mix of textures and colors. Planted beds of various native and flowering plants in shades of yellow, orange, and green create a dynamic aesthetic. A pathway made of large, rust-colored rectangular slabs leads through the garden, creating a flowing path across a bed of gray pebbles. A modern, landscaped backyard with a contemporary house. A large, light beige/tan stone house with dark gray/black accents and a wooden deck. The house has large windows and sliding glass doors that open onto the deck. A variety of plants and flower beds are planted around and in front of the house. Large, smooth, dark gray/black stones are used in pathways that wind through the garden. There are raised garden beds with various green leafy vegetables and herbs, cacti, succulents, and smaller flowering plants in the garden beds. A modern, meticulously landscaped garden path leading to a contemporary house. Impressionistic realism. Gray and black tones of the house, landscaping, and walkways are balanced by pop of yellows and greens in the planted shrubs and trees. The pathway winds through a mix of gravel and flat stone pavers. The garden features a variety of textures, including low-lying shrubs, grasses, and larger trees. The house has a contemporary design with a wide glass sliding door and wooden roof overhang. The house exterior is a dark gray and black. A meticulously landscaped hillside garden, featuring a series of stone steps descending a slope. Large, irregular, light gray rocks are strategically placed throughout, acting as both retaining walls and focal points. A variety of flowering plants in vibrant colors adorn the space. Patches of intense orange wildflowers, interspersed with purple lavender, and smaller, white blossoms create a dynamic tapestry of color. The garden is nestled beneath a modern-style home with a wooden overhang, creating a shade-dappled effect. A modern, minimalist courtyard garden. Hyper-realistic rendering. Concrete walls and a wooden deck, with sliding glass doors leading into a living space with a sofa and seating area. Abundant greenery, including a large leafy tree, various bushes and shrubs, and a vertical garden of ivy. Grass interspersed with gravel pathway and stone pavers. A dark gray chaise lounge area with cushions and soft lighting. Freshly picked oranges arranged on a wooden platform or bench. Warm, inviting lighting in the space. A vibrant, colorful, and well-maintained garden surrounds a modern, contemporary house. The garden is organized into raised beds of various sizes, filled with a diverse array of flowering plants in a variety of colors: reds, oranges, yellows, purples, pinks, and blues. The beds are bordered by dark gray concrete or stone. The plants appear lush and healthy, with a variety of textures and heights. The house features a contemporary design with brick, dark siding, and multiple expansive windows and doors. A sun-drenched, colorful garden path winds through a vibrant flower bed. A variety of blossoming flowers, predominantly shades of orange, purple, and blue, fill the beds. The path is made of irregular, light brownish-gray flagstones. A lush expanse of green grass surrounds the path. The home's exterior, a light beige/tan color, is visible in the background. The scene is detailed and bright, with natural, warm light. A modern outdoor space featuring a sleek, dark gray kitchen area extending from a contemporary home, seamlessly blending into a landscaped backyard. The kitchen boasts a concrete countertop, black cabinetry, and a wine cooler. A gravel path winds through a vibrant garden filled with various succulents, colorful flowers, and lush greenery. Large, flat, light gray stepping stones form a pathway through the garden. A medium-sized tree with full green foliage is positioned centrally within the garden area. A wooden privacy fence forms a backdrop to the scene. A modern, outdoor patio area with a stylish home in the background. The home features a dark gray metal roof overhang and light brown wood siding. Large sliding glass doors allow for views of the patio and garden. Several tiered, rust-colored metal planter boxes, various sizes, are filled with vibrant green plants, herbs, and citrus fruits. A mix of olive and other green trees and shrubs, as well as some succulents and grass, are neatly arranged around the planters. The patio area has light gray stone steps leading to the house. Showcase how the modern elements seamlessly integrate into the rustic setting, creating visual harmony. Highlight the interplay of textures, colors, and materials, creating depth and interest. Emphasize how the modern touches enhance the overall appeal and create a unique and inviting atmosphere. Discuss the practical benefits of incorporating modern elements into the rustic design, such as increased functionality and energy efficiency. Demonstrate the use of durable materials and sustainable practices in the transformation. Share tips for maintaining the blend of rustic and modern styles over time. Encourage viewers to explore their own design options, blending rustic and modern elements. Provide tips and resources for finding inspiration and implementing similar transformations. Conclude by emphasizing the potential of creating unique and beautiful outdoor spaces that reflect individual style and preferences. A modern, outdoor patio area adjacent to a contemporary brick house. Hyper-realistic style, warmly lit by ambient and outdoor lighting. The house features large, sliding glass doors that open onto a patio with a neutral gray stone and terracotta-colored paved area. A wood-burning fireplace is visible through the glass, with flames. Outdoor furniture, light taupe-colored, with dark brown wood frames, is arranged on the patio. The house's exterior is composed of gray-beige bricks, accented by dark charcoal metal accents. The interior boasts a light oak-colored wall paneling and a flat-screen TV. A spacious, modern, open-plan living area with floor-to-ceiling glass walls showcasing a tranquil forest setting. Hyper-realistic, warm lighting. A large sectional sofa in light beige/gray, accented by orange and brown throw pillows. A low fire pit sits in the center of the room, surrounding by a patterned area rug. A stone fireplace with a burning fire is featured on the back wall, creating a cozy ambience. The stonework is rough-textured medium gray and brown tones. The glass walls are framed by dark gray metal beams. Warm, natural woods are used for the flooring and interior accents. The forest beyond the glass is depicted in rich greens, browns, and muted light. A modern, dark gray cabin nestled beside a tranquil, flowing pond in a wooded forest setting. The cabin features large, expansive glass walls showcasing the fire pit inside. The exterior walls are a dark gray, accented with rustic stonework. The roof is dark metal. The forest is full of muted autumnal colors, browns, grays, and deep greens. The pond's water is dark, reflecting the surrounding trees and sky, with ripples and gentle movement. Large, dark rocks are scattered around the water's edge. A small deck extends out over the pond, with comfortable patio furniture. A modern, luxurious home nestled within a lush, green forest setting. Evening light casts a warm glow through large windows, illuminating the interior spaces of the house, which features a combination of brick, dark-toned metal accents and light wood siding. The home is situated around a pool with a shallow reflection pool surrounding it, which is edged with stone and dark decking. The surrounding landscape is filled with mature trees, tropical plants, and lush greenery. The colors are a rich palette of warm browns, grays, and deep greens. Modern house with pool and patio, evening light, hyper-realistic. Large, multi-level home with a contemporary design featuring a mix of brick and glass. Dark gray metal framing and roofing accents. Interior lighting shining through large windows, casting a warm orange glow onto the exterior. Outdoor patio area with multiple lounge chairs, a small round table, and a large swimming pool with a modern, clean aesthetic. Landscaping features various plants and shrubs, creating a lush garden surrounding the house. A modern, elegant home with a spacious, covered, outdoor deck. The home is nestled within mature trees, creating a tranquil and inviting ambience. The scene is hyper-realistic, with meticulous detail in the architecture, landscaping, and textures. The colors are warm and muted, with natural tones of wood, stone, and gray. The home features large expanses of glass sliding doors that open to a deck, allowing unobstructed views into the interior. The interior spaces are well lit, exhibiting warm ambient lighting, and the interior architecture is visible through the windows. A modern, two-story concrete home nestled within lush tropical greenery. The home features large, floor-to-ceiling glass windows, showcasing a spacious interior with warm, inviting lighting and wooden furniture. The concrete exterior is a muted gray, contrasted by the dark metal accents of the frame, railings, and roof. The interior is bathed in an amber yellow light, illuminating the wooden floors, furnishings, and plants. The image is hyper-realistic, capturing the textures and depth of the scene. Outside, various tropical plants and trees surround the home. A modern, luxurious, multi-level home nestled in a lush forest. Hyper-realistic rendering. Warm, inviting interior light spills out from large windows, illuminating the exterior stonework and landscaping. Dark gray/black stone cladding on the lower levels, contrasting with the warm wood siding of the upper levels. The roofline is a mix of a sloped, angled design with large, full-wall glass windows. Visible features include a fireplace on the patio, outdoor patio furniture, and meticulously landscaped gardens with lush greenery. Large windows show a cozy, spacious interior. A sprawling, modern mountain home nestled in a pine forest. Large windows showcasing the interior living space, which is bathed in warm, golden light. The exterior features a mix of rough-hewn stone and rich, dark brown wood siding.